A printed circuit board, or PCB, is like a special puzzle that helps electronic devices work. It is a flat board made of a material called fiberglass, and it has tiny lines and dots on it. These lines and dots are like roads and intersections that connect different parts of the electronic device together. Imagine you have a toy car with different parts like wheels, engine, and lights. The PCB is like a map that shows how all these parts should be connected. It has tiny copper lines that act like wires, and they connect the parts of the toy car together. To make the PCB work, we need to put tiny electronic components on it. These components are like the brains of the electronic device. They can be things like chips, resistors, or capacitors. We place them on the PCB and use special machines to attach them to the copper lines. Once all the components are attached, the PCB is ready to make the electronic device work. When we turn on the device, electricity flows through the copper lines on the PCB, just like cars driving on the roads. This electricity helps the different parts of the device communicate and do their jobs, like making sounds or showing pictures on a screen. So, a printed circuit board is like a special puzzle that connects all the parts of an electronic device together, and it helps them work by letting electricity flow through it. A printed circuit board works by providing a physical and electrical support for the components. The components have different functions, such as resistors, capacitors, transistors, diodes, LEDs, etc. They can modify, amplify, switch, or generate electrical signals in the circuit.